we don't bring Bon. We don't bring Sammie Okposo for inside studio.
Now, bros, and we know I'm from far. No be we, that thing when we talk when we first start the show. Not be we talk
all those things when we hear say we talk. Not be we.
No be.
Then just tell us. You know, say they always like cartoon. They always tell us some G's. K Solo and Baba they give us G's. Easy beats they give us. We are innocent.
Very innocent.
We're very innocent.
All we just did is just we are at the right place at the right time.
To hear the gist.
And that's all. Oh.
Not be say we even here. Just come like that.
We dey busy now. We dey do some very many other things.
Then they say, una here. This one down. Bros, welcome.
Well. Bros, I do very nice to see you again.
How are you? What did I do you?
Nothing, oh. Nothing. I just
You transform.
From Akwa Ibom State now. So I come the city. Now they don't show me where. See as I find. All na they do.
Don't mention.
So you think they don't do better for you now as you?
I'm not fine.
When I don't touch you, you're not fine.
What do you want to do?
When I first know you, you're normal.
I did Akwa Ibom that time.
Now Lagos, I know you.
No. Oh. You don't first come Lagos?
No.
Where you know?
Oh, so she
me
not
where
tell
you
you
know.
the truth. You see, make I go spoil your matter today.
Now my twin
She
sister.
done the Lagos since.
Now my
Is it
twin
like
sister.
Before also anything what she dey tell you now.
They do now my twin sister.
So for your mind now, you the future that you bring her.
Hey! Hey, what am I miss you?
Okay. No. Now my sister, you know that time when I tell you say my mama born us, he give one out to my auntie that time. We can stay with my uncle that time. Now he come bring them come Lagos. That no be me. That they say we resemble.
Where she? This one now. Where he dey?
Where you dey?
Where he dey?
Her name na Catherine.
Where she dey?
Now inside this slim Lagos.
After show we go look for her.
Go find her.
Okay, she dey somewhere. I think for
And I go bring her come this show so that you go see the two of
We
them.
go bring her come. But she there, Abi?
She dey.
No problem.
Okay.
Bros, welcome.
Bam.
God will bless you.
Thank you.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Amen.
Anything you are looking for, God will give you.
Amen.
Say you come outside, come talk this true.
God will bless us all.
Plus that bleaching cream, what are they find?
Not be weird. Not be weird.
Pray, say the bleaching cream, what are they find? I go see her.
But not be we now. I tell you, say they always give us G's. They don't say, bro, see. They don't say the one way you use. See, you don't try to bleach.
You don't
things.
try. See.
Don't try. See, the cream.
Come even meet Densia for corner.
Maybe when I sit down there, you say me then put water.
No.
Add diesel.
No, not the one we go walk.
Plus carbon.
God.
Now yours, Pastor Tony Mo.
Pastor Tony Mo, now what he always see, Mo talk true. What we hear now say you don't dey try bleach, you don't dey work. Say the one way you take, now only your nose now work. That's why your nose they lighter. Don't say your nose not black, it black, but now in they lighter pass your face. Now it light pass.
Say the other one, say your skin, they hear God. You know they agree.
You know they agree.
You know agree.
So they say
that's why Inko marry in. You know say wife.
Say now why make you marry your wife now? Your wife will be like
Color TV.
Color TV. Be like a papa.
I dey hear you now.
It be like a ripe papa.
I will hear say one bleaching company want make you the ambassador.
Now you talk am.
No! Now cartoon tell us this one. Our producer now tell us this one.
He say me we no call his name.
Oh, sorry, he say me no call him. Producer, sorry. He say the company now say
they want endorse
you,
but because they like your music.
They like your new song, sing your praise. They like am. They say everything we do, they like am. How you take the cheer for stage? They come say what do they want to be say? Then go make cream. We go bleach you first before you go sign.
Now I want to ask you, say, how you want to sign me for cream where they bleach?
Now make us give that thing. But bros, welcome.
Thank you, Nene.
Welcome.
That your music sweet, oh.
That your music sweet.
We'll settle this matter after the show.
Bros, now what we hear?
Don't worry.
That's all.
But
and you are watch. Jesus.
No puna no carry freeze matter face me. No puna no because I dey hear una.
I just they like your watch.
We don't like your watch.
It's fine.
It's fine. You feel so I'm into our life. We go dey share them.
As soon as they hear the hammer freeze since at the year, I know day.
No, now what did they tell us?
Okay.
What did they tell us?
Freeze go see you now later.
You don't say you gonna hear Sammie like this. You know what things say with this in voice he goes Sammie sing. He sing if you hear in song. That time he get one song when he sing. Now only you I know. If
no say so, I go let you know.
He sing this song.
If I sing the song, I like her. But where I want them.
We don't get your
We don't get your voice now. Sing, okay, sing them.
Oh. Well, I don't sing and finish.
No,
No problem.
Oh, that's so.
Now only you.
Oh.
I know. Even if the world not say so.
Hey.
I go let them know. Everywhere I go.
Hey, Jesus.
Even times when I fall.
Hey, you catch me.
She eat you, let me them.
Hey.
I'm not going to sing again.
It's okay. You catch me, not be that song for you, but jiggy them. Only when Jesus jiggy them. That's sweet that time. But bros, welcome to the night show.
Chai, it goes 10 at night and they do this show. Because,
welcome to the night show.
For daytime.
No, make you know, say we dey like your
We
song.
like your song.
No be today, and we don't know, say you did this.
True.
Business.
And this your new song. Sing your praise.
SYP.
SYP. Ah, no, bros, now sweet song.
Sing your song. They do a big no face. You dey open Bible, they write that your song, the word of the song. No, but it's true.
But how you think they write your songs?
You know, writing of songs,
Na talent.
sometimes na inspiration.
Okay.
Na inspiration, and it can come from anywhere. From this, our discussion now, I feel just the go, something will just, from that discussion.
Night show,
No, not be so, come on.
Okay.
You don't spoil the matter.
Okay.
I just dey try explain to you, inspiration they come from anywhere.
From the sunshine.
Tell me, you not hear birds that time when birds they say they can't go their local
Something.
that
He come the park.
Ikoro.
Bass is a singist.
In fact,
He's a songist. He's a songito.
A singist.
Person who sabi sing is a singist. He's a songito.
Now how you feel music rich, now you go give unto the people.
Okay.
Because I think decide to go do that one. So, now inspiration with that. You get what I want here for this music. So I need to go home to those my local people. Make them give me something to take add. So writing of song, creating of melody, now how you feel them. Depending, but ultimately all the inspiration, you know, say Baba God they give us. But sometimes there are different scenarios, different circumstances they bring and come.
As gospel artists, make I ask you.
Yes.
Everybody na human being.
Bam.
You they get temptation, you know, say if like them best now, I don't go best. Don't get one show where I go for best. Not tell us I tell you this, you know. Now still they tell us. One gate, each big is just the same, the girl just come up, bra. Woo!
Hey!
Woo!
Hello.
You never they sing. Sammie! Throw away, even in a gospel song.
Come out the one under safe, throw away.
Hey.
How you take the handle temptation from?
Yes.
True.
Listen, Kitim. You don't know how people they react when they like music.
Oh, okay.
Because a lot of the time, not be say them plan them. Say when we go this show, that's so we go do.
Okay. So it don't happen to you. They don't.
Some kind of strange things don't happen, but not this kind one where you dey talk so. I no follow for this one.
Okay.
Where you dey talk so.
Okay. Okay.
Nobody remove things. Stay true.
Okay, but you get different way they take the
Different reaction, but this your own.
Give us some example now.
Give us example now.
No, you feel just there. You dey sing. You dey sing.
It happen like that.
Make I talk my talk.
Okay.
Nine G's.
See problem.
Okay.
You go just dey sing before you know somebody don't run enter stage. Just go hold you. As you there with the mic. Before bouncer they reach there, the person don't hold you, don't run, go back.
Don't run, go back. Just can't hold you.
Now what you want to do? I saw the thing move am.
Now men, more of men, I've been a more of women they hold
Now
you.
mix, go sit down.
What do you they try ask?
I don't know.
I
The
know
thing
you
when you
very
dey
well,
find,
oh.
you go see am, but not for my body.
No, now question I they ask.
Now let men they there for the show.
No, most time now women so especially if they hear say Sammie voice they very rich and very thick. So when they sing, it go carry you, your body be like spray. So for the women, Ado is the woman that is the singest. Maybe that kind Nijola or Liki La.
Nijola. Nijo.
Nijola.
Your man they quarrel with why?
No.
Which one be Jo?
They quarrel
which one you they turn white to J?
Don't deny Joe. This easy bit. Abante now we are going to bring him one day to sit on this hot seat. We need to talk to him to find out.
Because DJs where they like their hand, their finger. Sorry,
they in hand they permanently like this.
Yeah, they know how to finger the.
No be finger.
Not be the finger that they use do the screen scratching.
Push.
They use. Okay, they push am. So how it takes start? Where it starts? Where it begin the choke and first?
We go come back. This is it. No, one day.
It's called scratching.
Where it begin the scratch first? Now back it the scratch. Moike ya kona scratch. Welcome back on top the light show.
Hey! Gosh, who sent me come here?
No, bros, you did okay. After the show, we go open.
Abi, you don't drink some of this thing before you start.
No.
No.
If we drink them, you don't go there here now. We go down naked now.
We go carry everything. Sure, I'm finished.
What's be the challenges where you they get as gospel artists?
Yes.
And waiting because you, I don't know, you your own day different. You be gospel artists with difference when you say everybody know you did relevant for any time, anywhere you put Sammie, you did relevant. Now some gospel artists they know they gree blow. Even if some kind people give them bump, they not go blow. You understand? They not feel blow.
It just be like saying a talent or idea.
Blow talent.
Somebody come here one day saying a grace. Nah, by God grace.
Na grace. So your own, I feel say na special na two graces. Now they with you. Now, what will be that challenge where they will gospel artists generally and gospel music for Nigeria?
I think one of the challenges will be when we don't try to correct me and a few of my colleagues. When they hear the word gospel music, they say that church music.
Okay.
And they forget say gospel music, or you call them genre.
Genre.
Yes, so now you only get your own group.
Okay, let me genre.
Okay. You get your own section.
Genre.
Before they say gospel, I say church, they forget say as you get hip hop,
so you
Fuji,
gospel,
jazz, na so gospel day.
Okay.
But for Nigeria, before, what you say, na church music now, they know they want give them the same respect when they give other genre. But a lot of us can't enter the matter with radical vex. Say it's not by like that. Not be so it's supposed to be. Gospel getting own genre. So as soon as they respect hip hop, jazz, Fuji, Afro, give us our own section.
But what do you be that thing where you they do? We make you just did there.
On your own, they make money, they blow.
My mindset be say, first of all, music na music. Whether na gospel, whether na Fuji, whether na rock, whether na pop, you must make music where everybody go fit appreciate. So now the first thing where in my mind be that when they record that the person not in fact you don't even need to hear what you are talk to appreciate music.
You just got
music not get language barrier. So they make music where everybody go feel appreciate, regardless of my message where they inside. Make music for everybody, which is the number one thing. When you see you be artist, it's just your section, like gospel. So the same way when the reggae guy, the Afro guy, the R&B guy, they do music where everybody feel related.
Don't worry.
Yourself.
Everybody relate to your music. Am I speaking for Frewo? Everybody. Everybody appreciate Sammie music. No way where you go hear the music where you know dance. Ain't nobody you will except be bad person. And you find that spirit for your body.
That spirit.
But I don't think say if Sammie know they sing, what did he for do?
What do you for do if you know they sing?
What did
they do for you?
Allow make you answer the question.
My sister.
Wait till they do. Scratch your hair. Scratch
My
your hair.
sister.
Leave him now.
Hey!
Scratch your hair now.
So since
You the talk. Say,
Medu,
if you know
you see recognize her.
Sorry. Put them back. Put them back. Put them back. Put them back.
You don't like the hair?
I like her. Ah, very beautiful. Put them back.
You dey scratch me now. Brother, you the talk. Say, wait.
I don't feel talk again. You don't.
No, talk to him. Leave him.
Hey, God.
So you dey
So,
I don't even know what I talk again. What have you talk?
if you know they sing music,
Wait
you
If I know they sing music, but
area boy for fit you.
no, I lie. I for the follow them, they do drag this work.
Eh.
Yes, so me and Nuna, we got Saliba, one of us, we for the wear one trouser.
If they do comedy.
We
I don't
for,
even think I can go that side.
we for the wear one knicker.
Okay. If you do, tell us one joke now. Tell us one joke.
They say if to say.
Okay, they don't say now.
They're not saying now.
They not say
say
at the
if to
practice
say.
and
But-
if to say.
So they're like a present future things.
Now if to say,
Present, future, continuous participle.
forget that thing they do. You don't they do this thing. As me, I they rehearse my music, and so you they rehearse your. So you don't balance. I know they spend time they rehearse joke.
Me, I used to enter. I don't know whether if they rehearse.
If to say,
coming.
let us leave it at if to say. Don't come. You won't form my market for taking. Make I tell you. Eh?
How your wife, your tomato?
Oversetting the
Your
worry
tomato,
her.
yours,
She's
yeah.
set.
Why you do like this?
Ijalo.
You do like this, man.
She's set.
No, but now this time you put your wife, eh?
I will tell her. She be not your friend.
Eh, it's not my friend, though.
No,
Tomato juice.
you know what's going to happen? When Sammie come out, you know they down. We go call and come.
Hey,
Ah!
wait, person that day.
Now your friend. No, it concern her.
If you see her, if she smile like this, now so, if she man so money go dey come for the smile.
No, if she smile that kind smile, Okasa go they come out in wallet.
Now I
Say,
want
tell
to ask
everything
you,
you
say
want.
which money they come out.
Nah,
My money.
Now you are on.
Hey, you
You
know
go
that.
just smile.
Because,
But
you
anyway,
have to, you have to.
how you take meet your wife says? Ben say na for school.
What
Ben
do
say
they do?
you know na from
Aisa.
the fancy. Now my brother get friends, sister, they are last born.
They see they come go. They come back and jam
They come
themselves
compound,
again.
they come jam themselves.
You know him before.
No,
Your wife.
My own not be so. My own unto as with the waka, they do events.
Hey,
I can't go do one serious show for London.
Oh, now
So now you like him first or does she like you?
Now me like confess.
why you not like black girl?
Not be what I like, I go like. What happen?
It's okay. Make we leave.
okay,
Sammie.
okay.
Don't cause quarrel
We go
for this
call
show.
the second part of that gist.
Is it
we
the
go
second
hear
part?
them from Madam.
Madam, moko leave out. But anyway,
So that the
thank
plan
you.
go for me.
Thank you to
Don't worry.
everybody. We don't they there, they watch night show for today. And
you
those
no
wey
go
say come show.
You know go know say she go.
She don't go know. Who go
You go just on TV say
Ha!
so that
What
I don't
is
know say you
this?
branch the night show that time.
Double toilet to beds, a Dakula and a manager Chi-boy. Double
And
toilet
there is
to...
fire. I mean,
Who be
And there's-
Chi-boy?
My best manager.
Men's
him
manager,
sister na
his sister
Chi
na
girl.
Chigo.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
for him be Chigo.
And him now come be Chi-boy.
Now give her Chi-boy.
Now give a Chi-boy. Double toilet to Sammie Okposo to DJ
They know they talk.
No mind them. It's a talkies to our
They
producer.
talk with him finger.
K-Solo, everybody. Thank
Man,
you.
we
Thank
go
you.
not need to talk too much.
Follow us for Twitter at W Night Show. Follow Catherine Obian.
Follow me.
You got, of course, now we go reach your pass.
You not feel
The
lost.
same thing.
Sammie Okposo. The same thing. DJ easy bit that no you
And Sammie Okposo, it's your Twitter handle.
I don't call her at Sammie
I
Okposo.
been playing Sing Your Praise for us, Moko take dance, go house.
You pursue them, go. Why you
love me so. Put that attention. Put that what are they over you and pick me up? It's your love that shut my head.